today I'm going to be filming a try on haul for you. Now I know people quite enjoy these, and this is kind of a back to school, back to uni one, I guess, because some of these items from Forever 21 I got them in the like back to school edit. So yeah, there's only like 4 or 5 pieces of clothing here. They're mainly for nights out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine it with outfits I like to wear on a night out as well. If you're like interested in what I like to wear, but if you do like my sort of style, whatever, you can follow me on Instagram, so I post my outfits on there literally all the time. So yeah, when I usually look a little bit better than this when I post those outfits, to be fair. But yeah, sorry if I sound a bit off. My nose is a bit kind of bunged up. I keep sneezing. It's really annoying. But it's September, so my body's like, oh, it's time to get a cold now. Yeah, so I'm gonna get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you want to, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I've got is this top from River Island. This is what I was waiting on like all day so I could film this haul. So it's just this top. This was in the River Island sale, so whether it's still available I don't know. It was £40, but it's now reduced down to 15. I wouldn't have paid 40 quid for it. Like, I like it, but not that much. As in, like, I'd obviously like the top, but I wouldn't pay 40 quid for it because obviously I'm a student, I don't spend that much money on clothes. But yeah, it's like a wraparound top with like embroidery on it and little tassels. It's very boho. It's not really my kind of style. To be honest, I don't really know how to explain my style. Like, I do wear a lot of pink when I'm out and about, but then I do like wear really casual stuff like this. So I am always drawn to like colour. I don't really wear black and white that often. So yeah, like this is a kind of out of my sort of usual style, even though I wear a bit of everything. But yeah, I just thought this would look really nice. Like, it's got a really big bow as well, and like I thought it's one of these pieces you can really dress up or dress down. I don't really shop in River Island often, but the pieces I do have, they're all quite unique, which is what I quite like, and they do last a long time as well. So yeah, I can't wait to try this on. Yeah, I really like this top. I'll put you up here just for tops and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, there's so much detail on this top. It's so pretty. I will say, like, if you're someone like me who hasn't really got a big bust, maybe size down. I'm usually kind of an 8 to 10 in tops, and this is an 8, so I definitely wouldn't recommend getting a 10. Like, I have to tighten it quite a lot here. And I probably could have gotten away with a 6, because as you see, my boobs don't really fill it up. This is the back of it. So as you see, there's kind of detailing here. I do really like this top. I think I'm just going to play around with it a bit just so it kind of sits on my chest properly. But yeah, it's really pretty. Like, I don't know when I would kind of wear it though. Like, I'd probably maybe for like a meal out or something like that. But yeah, it is really pretty. I do love it. I'm definitely going to keep it. Wouldn't wear it clubbing because I knew it would just get ruined. But yeah, like, I do really like it, and I'm definitely keeping it. So the next one, I got this from ASOS. It was actually from Missguided. It was in the sale as well. It was reduced to like £17 or something. So it's this, it's a top, but you tie it up at the front in like little bows. It is quite summery, so I don't know how much I'd wear it kind of in going into autumn, but I do really like it. I definitely wear it on a night out. So yeah, it looks like really small, but once you tie it up, it looks fine. But yeah, it's really cute. And when my mum saw me wearing it, she goes, oh my god, Kira, it's so pretty. Like, it's so you. So yeah, I really like it. And like, it looks better when it's on, trust me. So this is a Missguided top. As you can see, it is very open up here. Like, I don't usually wear stuff that's low cut. But this looks so nice with the mum jeans. I think with black jeans as well, look really nice. But I guess when I put my hair forward, it's not as like bad. But yeah, I've just got it on with my Hollister bralette. But yeah, like, I really like this top. Like, can you see, like, this top is an 8, but it's a lot tighter on me. I think it's just the material. But I think if I got a 10, it would be way too big up here. So yeah, but I do really like it, and I think it goes really nice with the jeans. Yeah, really happy with this find. The next couple of things are from Forever 21. So the first thing I picked up from the back to school edit was this spotty shirt. So it really needs an iron, so it's probably gonna look awful on, but I just thought it'd be really good for obviously when I'm going into uni. Really nice, like a pair of black jeans or like a black skirt, or even like a pink skirt actually for a pop of colour or something. Do you know what? I've got that pink pinafore. This would look really nice under that. So yeah, I'm thinking of ways to style it already, but it's just a cropped shirt with like it's got a big pocket here. Really simple. I know it'll last me a while. So this is the shirt. As you can tell, it really needs an iron, but I've just put it on my black Johnny jeans. I think it goes a lot better than with the blue jeans. But yeah, it's really simple. It's got a really nice kind of flattering shape to it as well. Bear in mind it's like a cropped one. It's got a few little slits here. Really simple. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it, especially when I do my placement as well. I think it'll be really good for that. So yeah, overall good choice. And then next few things are sort of going back to nights out again. So I've got this kind of wrap over sort of, it's like t-shirt material but it's long sleeves, so it looks more dressy. This is like perfect autumn colours. Now these sort of tops look really open when you sort of have them up like this. Once you put them on they do cover your boobs, don't worry. So I've got a really similar one from ASOS which I literally wore all the time sort of last winter, yeah. Because I got it for my birthday, so yeah, I really like these tops. And my mum says kind of my sort of trademark look is like a crop top and jeans. That's literally what I always wear. So yeah, this would be perfect for that. And this, I really could dress this down. Like, if I wore a blue jeans, I could definitely wear it during the day, and then with black jeans, it would look really nice at night. So yeah, I really like that. So this is one of the Forever 21 crop tops. I really like this. It's quite tight, I'm not gonna lie, but it is like stretchy material, so I don't feel like the top's gonna break on me anytime soon. Yeah, so I think this looks really nice with the black jeans, but also if I turn these inside out again, I think for a daytime I could definitely wear it with this. Really nice with these as well, for like a more casual look. So yeah, I'm going to try the other one on now. I'm sure it'll fit if this one fits, but like these are really like nice thick material, so these would be perfect for going into winter. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. And I've got a very similar one again from Forever 21. This one was this was £10. How much was this one? Yeah, that was £10 as well. So the next one is just a black and red one. Again, this is definitely more for night time. But yeah, really like this. I know I'll get a lot of wear out of it because, as I said, I wear my ASOS one like all the time. So my ASOS one's got like pink with is like black with pink flowers on it. I will probably show you that in my sort of night out outfits thing. So this is the black one. Again, literally looks exactly the same, just with a different pattern. I think it's really flattering, especially like on my chest. Like, obviously, where I think the ruffles as well kind of give the illusion you've got a bigger chest when you don't. The black is really flattering as well. I'll definitely wear this on a night out. I'll show you the ASOS one I was talking about as well. So if you followed me for a while, you would have seen this a lot. But this is literally the same sort of style, but like it's got ruffly sleeves on it as well. I'll probably overlay a picture of it. But yeah, like as I said, I wear this on all the time, so it's good. I've got a couple more of these as well to kind of change up the look. And then the last thing that I bought recently are some mum jeans. Now, I never really thought mum jeans suited me because basically when I tried them on, like, because I've got kind of bigger thighs, they just kind of look more like straight leg jeans compared to like sort of baggier jeans. But these ones actually fit me really well. Like, they are still tight on my legs, so I think I just got to accept that now with jeans. These are the ASOS Farley ones, I think. I was inspired by Kate's Beauty Station. She wears these literally all the time. They look really nice. I did turn them up at the bottom because they're a bit of an awkward length if I don't turn them up. But yeah, they're literally so comfortable. Obviously, because they're like jeans, they don't stretch like Johnny jeans, but they fit me fine. I'll have to do a bit of a wiggle to get in them, but they fit me fine. They're at £32. Obviously, with student discount, they'd been, what, like £30-ish? Which I think is quite good. And they are good quality jeans, so I know they'll last me a while. And I'm quite tempted to get the black ones as well, so yeah. Jeans. Do you see what I mean? Like, they're not proper, they don't sort of look like proper mum jeans on me. But like, as I've cropped them, they do look better, and they're not like tight, like skinny jeans, but I just really like them. Like, I've been wearing them for the past like 3 days solidly, and I just think they look really, really cute. And then they sort of go perfect with crop top. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about like other outfits I like to wear on like a night out, or if I'm going out for drinks or whatever. So another top I really like, this is actually my mum's, but it doesn't fit her anymore, so she gave it to me. This is from Boohoo like a good couple of years ago, so whether it's still online, probably not. It's really similar though, so it's, is that the front of it? No, that's the back of it. So, so it's just like V-neck with like ruffles on the sleeves and then ruffle like in the middle. It's quite cropped again, like if I put it up to me now, you can see it's quite cropped. And then at the back it's got a tie here. So the reason why I've tied it literally so tight is because it's a 14, it's really sort of wide up here, so I've got to tie it up tightly so it doesn't like hang off me. But yeah, it's really, really cute, really flattering, and like it's really like a nice wintry print. and again looks amazing with black jeans. So this is a top I love to wear on a night out. So this top is from Missguided. Oh, I thought the black tag's hanging out, that's awkward. So obviously while it's September, it's not like exactly cold right now for like long sleeve tops. So something I love to wear, again, sort of when it's warmer, is like just strappy tops and a pair of black jeans. I think this looks really nice. As I've kind of mentioned before, clubbing in Bath like is not super sort of dressy, so you can really get away with this. Like, this is absolutely fine. I haven't actually got a bra on right now, so sorry if you can see anything you don't want to see. But yeah, this has just got frills sort of around the side. It kind of looks like it's back to front, but I promise you this is the front at the top. But yeah, like I think it's just a really cute look. Oh, my brother's texting me. Yeah, so I really like this. But also other things I really like I've bought recently. If you've seen my Missguided haul, you would have seen this wraparound top. So what I'm planning to do is wear like a black bandeau or something, and then just tie up in the middle. That again look really cute with black jeans. Or something else I really like to wear, I wore this last Freshers year actually. Last Freshers year? Last year for Freshers is this bandeau top from Mint Velvet. Again, just looks really cute. Sort of something different. So yeah. And then sort of other tops I do like to wear, especially these are more kind of Christmassy tops, I'd say. So the first one is from New Look. This is just a mesh top. I think mesh is really nice, like of an evening. Like it's not as hot as like a long sleeve top or whatever, but it sort of just looks really edgy. So this is like a sequiny one from New Look, and it comes with a cami top in it. So yep. And then this is another top from New Look. This is like velvet. So this, I think this really dresses up like black jeans. I don't know, and these look so nice in photos as well. So yeah, really like wearing this one too. I think also another really nice idea for a like night out or even like a meal out or whatever are play suits. This one is from Topshop. I got it in the Topshop sale. Was it Christmas time? Like this was the sort of thing I kept going out of sale like so quickly. So I was literally like on it every week, like please come back, please come back. But I found it in an 8. I think I bought it in a 10 originally, but it was just way too big for me. Especially like as I've said before, I kind of sort of like not suffer with, but like I struggle with like having a flatter chest. So play suits can sometimes be difficult in terms of sizing, but so this one, so it's the mesh that I was talking about before. I just really like mesh with like embroidery. I think just looks really nice. And then it's got a tie at the back. I don't know if you can see that because I can't see myself. But other ones I really like wearing are, so I've got 2 from Missguided here. One is just plain black, which I haven't actually worn out yet. But really simple, although the legs are a bit tighter than this, like as you can see, like because it's mesh, like it does sort of hang on, and like the legs in this one are a bit shorter, but I think if I wear it tight I can probably get away with it. So again, it's got the fluted sleeves, which I really, really like, and then this one I've worn so many times. I wore it for my 18th birthday. Again, it's got 3/4 length sleeves and then the same sort of baggy kind of legs. So yeah, I think play suits is really nice. They're just so easy. You don't have to think about what top, if it will match the jeans or whatever. And then the final thing, which I wore a lot last year when I was going out and about clubbing or whatever, was again another mesh. This mesh dress from River Island. I got this in the sale as well before I went off to uni actually. So it's just got like Aztec print up here, and then it's just a sort of shift dress, but the sort of the slip inside is kind of bodycon. So like that bit kind of shows off your shape, and then the mesh just kind of sits over your body really nicely. And that was my kind of back to uni haul, items of clothing I like wearing on a night out. Hope you like this video. I know it's a little bit different. I don't usually sort of do styling within my hauls. But yeah, sorry, I need to crouch down a little bit more. I hope you like this video. I hope my voice hasn't pissed you off, because it's pissing me off right now. Like, oh, it just sounds so nasally. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you want to. There'll be lots of university videos coming your way. I might start doing sort of weekly vlogs or whatever. But don't hold me to that because I'm not sure yet. But I'll definitely be doing like a room tour and a flat tour or whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe, as I've said like 300 times already in this video. And I'll see you soon. Bye.